be the he, give me the keys to the Mercedes. Look just to the
But anyway, let's hear the next track. One Lily, let's go.
They didn't notice to the moment I started to glow. Now pretty ladies drop it lower than Coco below. Is that the reason that I carry my shoulders so high? Balenciaga bag on the Agbada. Yeah. Remember when we couldn't even.
Hello, this is not the time to be plugging Balenciaga right now, bro.
Funny when you blow, you be everybody bro. At least I got lifelines to show.
What's your lifelines?
Been a 1 year if it's not about the money. I saw they want my bro. Money one lily, bow. When we come through, you know we shut it down. Oh, she ran a Gucci, nana, yeah. Oh my days, how you sweet like sushi, nana. Yeah. Old money. I'm only they do money. Tell me make you know they waste my time. Tell me why you want to call my line.
Nah, I think now this is Bayanni, I think. It's very hard, man. Crayon, Bayanni, the textures are too similar, man. Too similar.
24/7, I'm on my grind.
Okay.
Say you know understand. But if it's not about the goodie, say me I don't give no time. Pretty girls wanna boss it for me now. When we come through, you know we shut it down.
Magix is for once giving the hook, I think. I think this is probably the first time he's on the hook. Okay, Rema.
I got my mind on it back. Now them a dancing to my reggae and my blues and my dance song. Singing word for word to my music, they go jargon. I be the king, I be the he, give me the keys to the Mercedes. Look just to
Listen, my God, but Spyce, listen. What was that? Listen, let's run that back, man. I'm sorry. Boy Spyce did not come to play. It's looking like, man. It's looking like Boy Spyce not come to play today, bro. My guy said, let me stand out by fire, by force. Yo, man was borderline rapping on this, man. I spitting his guts out, bro.
When we come through, you know we shut it down.
Okay, interesting record. Almost had like a hint of dancehall, at least a bounce where you can find a record like Burna Boy picking up from. The record is about braggadocio. Essentially, it's just charging up one lily, bow. Like, you know what I mean? When I step into the building, all this energy, like I think it goes for that. And that's one aspect of subject matter that I think was kind of needed on this record in order to like shift things up. And I really enjoyed that. Magix being on the chorus, I think, was nice, especially with the backup vocals from Don Jazzy. Was very, very subtle and efficient. It was very efficient in those backups. It didn't have a verse, it didn't do too much, but I think he ended up beefing up the chorus a lot more and made it a lot fuller to enjoy, and I really enjoyed that. But can we give a moment for Boy Spyce? Like, come on, like, it was just aggressive what he came here to flip the record for. He has a way of standing out on the record. You can even say that from a track like Overloading, when it went pim 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 pom pom pom, it's still memorable, you know. But I think on this record he really channeled some inner, like, I don't know, maybe like some, yeah, obviously they were rapping chops on that because he was virtually rapping his shit off, and I think I enjoyed it. Even the production actually took that into account and gave him a break, for instance, and give you the breaks and the jumps there from the kicks, and I think that was cool. It ended up being a standout moment, a very memorable moment for him, because that was freaking solid, man. But the record overall is overall, it's just it's a nice confrontational standoff kind of record that really makes you want to feel yourself. It's an ego booster in some sense, and I really enjoyed it. I think it was channeled well, especially to the Boy Spyce ability, man. Not a bad record whatsoever. You guys are 95% yes on that. I see that.